First tonight, all new on the 7, an update on the big legal fight between Western Michigan University and some student athletes who are refusing to get the COVID vaccine. Tonight, we are updating the case and getting an inside look at what's happening from a lawyer not associated with the case. Here's News 8's David Horak.
Yeah, it's been about 3 weeks since a federal judge extended that temporary restraining order against the university over its COVID vaccine requirement. So this allowed 16 Broncos student athletes to play and participate while being religiously exempt from the mandate. Well, in the new chapter of this lawsuit, university administrators are appealing this decision.
You can continue to do that until such time as you've reached the highest level court. And then whatever your answer is, and you're stuck with it.
In a filing on Monday, legal counsel representing WMU administrators responded to Judge Paul Maloney's decision by motioning for a stay of proceedings and stay of injunction in a federal appeals court.
If you ask for a stay, the stay then means, okay, hold off for a minute. Don't let them start doing it right now. Let's let these proceedings go on. Let's let further proceedings take place. But in the interim, allow things to just stay how they are.
Both motions for the stay were denied in district court, but Western Michigan's lawyers are planning to appeal in federal circuit court. According to court documents, they argue the current ruling is incompatible with free exercise jurisprudence because it is requiring them to extend privileged treatment to the plaintiffs that is not available to any other student athlete and give them license to expose their teammates to a heightened risk of exposure to COVID-19.
There needs to be a legal basis, a legal ground upon which they're finding that the ruling was incorrect.
Attorney Sarissa Montag with Levine & Levine explains the likelihood of a civil case being appealable depends on the timeliness and gravity of the issues. In this case, medical needs and freedom of religion are the relevant factors.
This is why we have a court system for an impartial person to be able to look at these issues and decide from a constitutional perspective what the school can do and what they can't.
One important note is that this only has to do with the injunction and the temporary restraining order because the entire civil case is still pending in district court. Meanwhile, the student athletes, the plaintiffs in this case, have until Wednesday to respond to this appeal. In Kalamazoo, David Horak, News 8.